5401 climbs over the charge station. Score another piece. 88.5 crosses the field using those swerve drives to move up fast.
I see that.
Now working
Wow.
the clear station. 6808, pushing that cone across the field. Down on the Red Alliance, we see 5401 cross that charge station to score their code. 5740, working well across the field in no time.
Really?
Back in the game, collecting pieces over at their human player station. They've got to come. They're crossing the field. And they score. As we enter endgame, we see our Blue Alliance teams attempting the balance. Red Alliance, we have one team on the charge station, two teams on the charge station, while 88.5 wants to score some last pieces, and we